2½ cups all-purpose flour. 1 packet, 2¼ teaspoons, active dry yeast. 3/4 cup warm water, 110 degrees Fahrenheit or 45 degrees Celsius, 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1 teaspoon
2
sugar,
large boneless,
half a teaspoon
skinless
salt,
chicken
breasts. 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning, half a teaspoon garlic powder, half a teaspoon
1
salt,
cup canned
half a
crushed
teaspoon
tomatoes,
black pepper,
1 teaspoon
1
olive
tablespoon
oil,
olive
1
oil,
clove garlic,
1/2 cup pizza
minced,
sauce,
or
half a
marinara,
teaspoon dried
1
oregano,
cup shredded
half a
mozzarella
teaspoon
cheese,
dried
1/4
basil,
cup grated
salt and
Parmesan
pepper to
cheese,
taste,
optional,
12 pepperoni slices, or your favorite pizza toppings, 1 tablespoon chopped fresh basil, for garnish. Temperature 180 C. Preheat 15 minutes. Cooking time 30–45 minutes.